In this video, we will be telling you exactly what will be happening with SPY stock. We have information that no one else on planet Earth has at this time, so make sure you watch till the end. For those of you new here, congratulations finding this video because it was probably hard to find. I'm a multi-millionaire algorithmic trader who has occasional real 100% accurate trades like hidden insiders at BlackRock, who also privately get 100% accurate trades, but we'll save that for another video. SPY stock is a very important instrument that correlates with the rest of the market. Any long-term names in this instrument has implication for a vast number of stocks. There are many variables in the market, so the key is to separate what really matters from everything else. When SPY stock was at its exact mathematical top, which we were the only ones, as far as we have seen, to pinpoint and post a video on this channel, we can't go too much into detail, but we can tell you exactly what will happen with this stock in the long term and from these prices, which we will be telling you at the end of this video. There are many variables at play, like interest rates and rate cuts, but what we can tell you is that most of these factors, or nearly all of them, are secondary to what institutional market makers, who are the ones who secretly control price fluctuations to its stocks, and SPY stock is no different. For those of you who are more experienced, you will realize that the markets are highly contrarian, meaning that they work against the sentiment of retail traders most of the time, although what really matters is what institutional market makers decide, and their algorithms, which are what truly determine price fluctuations. What we can tell you is that 100% accurate trades with 0% mathematical uncertainty do exist, and behind the curtains of market makers and these institutional companies like BlackRock who run the markets, and their AI asset investment instruments like Aladdin, which we won't go too much into detail on in this video. Last stock market top at the exact day when QQQ was at 408 and SPY at correlating prices. We were the only ones on all of YouTube who called out that price as the top, and for many months following that, a stock market correction or crash occurred. At this time, we were seeing something similar happen on SPY stock, which at its exact mathematical top at 694 we called out, and now it is at 671, and in our view this is not the bottom, meaning that for many months or longer following this video, SPY stock will be correcting or crashing from these prices, which although it is not impossible that it can head up slightly higher from these prices, in the very long term with a 100% accurate chance, which we're the only ones on planet Earth that can tell you this, along with other insiders, it will not return to those prices for a significant period of time. Also, for those of you new here, we would highly recommend you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. If you benefit from these videos, we may be shadow banned because algorithms on YouTube don't want you to see these videos. So make sure you hit the notification bell so you can be sure you see these videos at the exact mathematical tops and bottoms, which we post on this channel and are the only ones on all of YouTube, at least as far as we have seen, who do this, like the recent SPY top and many other names as well as on StockTwits, which we would also go follow us there. With that, we would highly recommend you watch the video from when SPY was at its exact mathematical top if you haven't already, or go rewatch it, which that video is in the box, so go watch it now. And with that, we end this video.